Unlocking the Power of Excel. Welcome to the world of Excel. This presentation will cover Excel's basic components and functions. You will learn how to leverage its power for data organization. By the end of this session, you'll be ready to start using Excel. What is Excel? Spreadsheet Software. Excel is a spreadsheet software. It was developed by Microsoft. Data management. Excel allows users to store, organize, and analyze data. Table format. Data is displayed and managed in a table format. Excel's basic components. Cells, the smallest unit for data storage. Rows, horizontal lines of cells within a worksheet. Columns, vertical lines of cells within a worksheet. Worksheets and workbooks. Worksheet, a single spreadsheet within an Excel file. Workbook, the entire Excel file which contains worksheets. Multiple sheets. A workbook can contain multiple worksheets. Basic Excel functions. Sum adds up a selected range of cells. Average calculates the average of a range. Count counts the number of cells in a range. Sorting and filtering data. 1. Sort arranges data in order. 2. Filter shows data based on criteria. 3. Analyze helps you to analyze the results. Benefits of using Excel. 1. Data organization. 2. Data analysis. 3. Visualization. 4. Collaboration. Common Excel uses. Budgeting. Creating budgets for personal or business use. Data tracking. Monitoring and analyzing data over time. Reporting. Generating business reports for insights.